Dear students, today we are solving the ISI MSQE QMA solutions for 2024. So आज का क्वेश्चन है 21 और इसमें कुछ ऐसा कहा गया है, consider an economy where all factors of productions are fully employed and which has an aggregate production function y equal to AK, where K and Y are capital labor ratio and the output labor ratio respectively. ठीक है, constant properties are constant. Proposition is 0 to 1 in the income is saved and invested in the economy. Very nice. So after that, supply of labor force grows at n greater than 0 and sigma is the depreciation. Normal दिया हुआ है. So which of them is incorrect? Increase in the savings rate. चलिए एक एक करके चलते हैं. Increase in the savings rate, okay, will not have any effect on the long run growth rate of the output per worker. ठीक है. सो ये स्टेटमेंट में देखिए, सोलो जो मॉडल है, इन सोलो मॉडल क्लास में बहुत बार गिरा है सोलो मॉडल. सो द लॉन्ग रन ग्रोथ रेट ऑफ द आउटपुट पर वर्कर इज डिटरमाइंड बाय द एक्सोजेनस टेक्नोलॉजिकल प्रोग्रेस. सो दैट इज ए एक्सोजेनस गिवन टेक्नोलॉजिकल प्रोग्रेस एंड द labor force growth rate. So the savings rate S affects the steady state. S affects steady state level of output, okay, per worker, but not in the long run growth rate. So this is true. Next B में चलते हैं. B is if the level of investment I is higher than the depreciation, I is sigma K, then the growth rate is positive. ठीक है. So in the solo growth model, if the level of investment I is greater than, so obviously capital stock K stock grows and leading to an increase in the output per worker, Y per worker enhances. ठीक है. So this condition is necessary for positive growth of output per worker. Next is C, economy is always on the steady state growth rate of path. So ये statement थोड़ा गड़बड़ वाला है. This is the wrong statement because solo growth model में क्या होता है, the economy converges to a steady state growth path in the long run, okay, in the long run, but may not be the steady state growth path at all times, okay, so not all times. So you are reaching to a steady state in a long run. It doesn't mean you are always at a good position, okay. So during the transitional dynamics, the growth rate variables like output per worker, capital per worker, Y per worker, Y by L, capital per worker may vary before reaching the steady state value, okay. Last one is output and capital consumption grows at the same rate. Yes, it's a solo growth model, so steady state, so this grows at the same rate. So this is the answer C.